Hello YouTube stacking community, the Stacking Nerd here today on Thursday the 24th of May 2018 with some gold and silver deals. First item I have for you is from SD Bullion. This is a 2017 1 gram gold Chinese panda on sale for $9.99 over spot. Next is from Gainesville Coins. This is a 10-ounce Morgan Design silver bar on sale for 89 cents per ounce over spot. Next is also from Gainesville Coins. This is a 5-ounce Walking Liberty silver bar currently on sale for 84 cents per ounce over spot. Next item comes from JM Bullion on eBay. This is a 1-ounce gold Valcambi Swiss bar in assay for $4.99 over spot. Next is also from JM Bullion on eBay. This is a random year 1-ounce gold Canadian maple on sale for $6.99 over spot. Next item comes from Bullion Exchanges on eBay. This is a random year 1-ounce gold Krugerrand, currently on sale for $13.60 over spot. Next is from AntMax on eBay. This is a random year 1-ounce gold American Buffalo on sale for $14.99 over spot. The last item I have for you is from Pinehurst Coins on eBay. This is a lot of 60 1-ounce Morgan Design rounds currently on sale for 27 cents per ounce over spot. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day. I will talk to you later.